Learn English vocabulary game. Hello everyone, my name is Vinny. Welcome to Hello Baby English Vocabulary School. We have a website, Telegram channel, YouTube channel, Hello Baby English, all one word. It is game time. Let's begin. Today we're doing adjectives. We have 1 from level 1, 3 from level 2, 4 from level 3, and 2 from top level. Some of these have other meanings. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9 have one more meaning in our program. Let's begin. Number 1. Her parents live in a house near the river. This means it's not a big house. American pronunciation, little. A little house. There are 10 male students and 11 female. The girls are the female students. Female is an adjective here. She is equals we can trust her, we can believe her, we can rely on her. She is responsible. We also say be responsible for something. This is a difficult word. Please check your dictionary and read the whole thing. Bob's apartment is very noisy because he lives near a... This means a big road with lots of cars and lots of traffic. Major. A major road. Major is an adjective here. She has a bright future. The possibilities are... This means endless or infinite. Unlimited, meaning there is no limit. We don't have any more information at the... This means now. At the present time. Present is an adjective here. He doesn't like to eat fatty meat. This is meat with lots of fat. He only likes to eat lean meat. Lean is an adjective here. He didn't mean to do it. It was not. He made a mistake. He didn't mean to do it. It was not intentional. It was not intentional. He didn't mean to do it. He made a mistake. When they wash their clothes, they always use soap. This means it's not a powder and it's not a bar. Liquid. Liquid soap. Liquid is an adjective here. Bob and his wife are now because their terrible neighbor moved away. Before they had a problem, but now they're happy because the problem is gone. Now they are... They are relieved now. See you next time.